First of all, I want to like a little bit introduce myself. So my name is Lakshman. Okay. So I'm the YouTube strategist and as well as marketing specialist. Okay. So in my agency, we are doing right now like 7 years of we have experience about this space and the digital space. And yes, of course, across the world we worked lots of clients like you can say like creative section and also performance marketing section. So I have at that time I have a two agency. One is performance marketing based and another is creative based. At that the creative based agency we are doing like YouTube management and social media management. Okay, but YouTube management our specialty like video editing, YouTube management and growth, monetization. So lots of things we are doing right now, and we have like lots of clients base like doctors, clients, and business owners. Like you can say like real estate owners, brokers, and e-commerce business owners. So lots of clients and who like really want to work with me and my team also. So yeah, so that's my journey, sort of journey. And yes, of course, and I'm really eager to listen to you about your journey and your needs so that I can give you the best result. And yes, of course, we can like go ahead with the good relationship and the long time basis. Yes, man.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, my YouTube channel has been around for a couple of years, and it's seen some good growth. Right now, I have a lot more opportunities than I have time.
Okay.
So it's kind of a good problem. So I'm kind of looking for ways of speeding up workflow, maybe offloading some editing work,
some more content. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I can make more.
May I know?
So I can make more content.
This is your full time like work and anything others you are doing right now also inside.
Yes. Yeah. This is all I do.
Okay. So you have one channel or you have like multiple channel? What kind of?
I have two channels.
Two channel. Okay.
This is my main one though. Beast Made Reviews. I have another channel that's been around longer, but and it actually has more subscribers, but it doesn't do as well right now. I just kind of switched more of my time on this channel because it grows a lot faster.
Okay.
So
yeah. So like if we like let's say like if we are ready to work together, okay, so what would be the like responsibility I can provide you so that you can increase your uploading content and making the content and all that? Like this is the editing part and this is the entire management part. What would be the things?
Well, one thing that I'm kind of looking for is I am looking for editing.
Editing.
But to me, what will speed things up on the editing side is editing with DaVinci Resolve.
Yeah. I know.
And they have a cloud system where you can have two people work on an editing project at the same time. And that's really what I'm looking for. And I want someone to do the majority of it and have everything, and I can just go on DaVinci Resolve on that same project here. And if I need to switch anything, I can switch it here or adjust anything here. And that's kind of what I'm looking for. That is a lot faster.
Yeah.
So
if we say like how many content you want to like produce and uploading in a month, like if we work together?
I would say start it off with maybe 2 a month and see how that goes.
Okay.
I probably have a lot more than that I could do, but I want to kind of ease into it instead of like eventually I would want to do 4 per month and do 1 per week. That's your side.
That is the normal ratio for the YouTube side, right? Because you also know if we don't able to crack the algorithm, so you don't expect the so much, right? So that's why you need to follow the normal ratio, like minimum to minimum, week per week 1 video, and at that like per month your video will be like 4. So that's the normal ratio. Yeah.
Yeah. So what? Yes, eventually I want to get there on your side. But what I'm saying is, like, I want to at least do 4 on my side, edit 4 videos for me, and then have maybe you guys start with 2 and then eventually go up to 4. That way I have 8 videos per month total.
So, like per week 2 videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really good, and you will expect like lots of results also, because YouTube is the game of uploading content more and more and consistent.
Yeah.
So that is the main like science behind the YouTube, right? So that's why we need to focus on creating and uploading more content, more content, more content. So that would be the good enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
So okay, no problem. That's really great decision. But may I know like what kind of editing you want? May I like see and the live section, like if you share with me like, hey Lakshman, I want to create this kind of style and this kind of editing. Yeah, that would be easy for me.
Yeah. I think my editing is probably mostly easy. Like, it's not like Mr. Beast.
Yeah. Because you are doing like a review type and all. Yeah. So that's why we need to like focus to attract the mindset, and like raw type editing style would be the good, right? So that's why of course that's the better thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say like you have one kind of like editing style already you are mentioning in your YouTube channel. So you want to follow this kind of style, or you want to do anything something else?
I'm open to other things if that will help. I like my style. Okay.
Because lots of audience already impressed by your style, right? Yeah. So that's why if we suddenly change the style, they will like not matchable position, right?
Right.
So that's the thing. Yeah.
So I think my style is pretty good.
Yeah, you said.
I think it works.
Yeah.
And I'm always open to new things with editing if that works. And like you said, I don't want to change it drastically.
Yeah.
Because my audience might not like that.
Yeah.
But I'm always open to tweaking and changing, doing things like that just to see how it goes.
Yes, this decision will be the great, because whenever you are doing long-term work and at the same style of editing and the same style of work, so your audience would be might be they will feel the boring, right? But we need to focus to the audience also, because our end of the day our earning depends on the audience feelings and audience like systems viewership, right? So we need to follow and we need to focus on the audience base. So we need to do, but we have to do the like style change and editing style change and like speaking style change. So lots of things varies to increase the number and hit the expected number, right? So yes, of course we can do also. And I already shared a lot of channel we have working with them, and you also know about my expertise and my editing style. And they are like few at that section we use two kinds of like editing software. One is DaVinci Resolve and another is Premiere Pro, and that is really famous at that time, right? So yes, of course we are really confident about it and very much sure we can give you the result. And yes, of course you can also like increase your uploading content ratio, and that would be your expected goal, right? So yes, of course we can hit your goal, no problem. So yeah, so like let's say if we start, so you just need editing and designing also, like you need thumbnail also, so you need design also and anything else.
Thumbnails would be nice.
Yeah.
My thumbnails are, they're okay.
Yeah. But yes. So, I like agree with you. You can work with your thumbnail. Your editing style great, but we can do little bit more like something else. But we can work on the thumbnail, because one one audience and one traffic whenever see your ads, whenever see your video, they are really interested to your thumbnail, and they are really interacted with your thumbnail first, right? So we need to focus to work with the like thumbnail first, right? So if we work with the thumbnail, your channel would be like really good. So that's why I can increase and I can change the style of thumbnail, no problem. Okay, so
Yep.
that your CTR would be good, because I already says you I'm the expert of strategist, YouTube strategist. So I know where your traffic would be attracted and where your traffic would be lacked, right? So that's why I just suggest you can also work on the thumbnail portion. Okay, and you definitely see the result within 7 days. And I'm the guy who can give you the testing type of thumbnails, right? So you can say you get the two kinds of thumbnails for the one video. And
Okay.
you also know, whenever you think about the bigger YouTuber and bigger content creator, and they follow this kind of method, right? Like they have one video and they are publishing right now, and they are in like integrated one thumbnail, and few minutes later they are suddenly change the another thumbnail, and they are checking what kind of thumbnail and what kind of thumbnail scripting are really work for them like their audience, and then they are try to scale it through the ads, through the SEO. So that's the things we need to follow. And yes, of course,
Yeah.
definitely you can also hit the this algorithm, no problem. And I will
Yeah.
help you the backend section, because this is my duty. Yeah. So that's why. So yes, of course, that's really great. And yes, of course, you can also increase your number of content. Okay, so let's say you want to work with the long term, like long video, or any kinds of short video you want to work. What kind of?
It's long videos.
Just
mostly.
for you are focusing just for long video.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
what I'm focusing on. The shorts on my channel, they don't really do that well. I put some shorts on there. I try to put one short per week on there just to kind of remix, just to make a clip of an older video. And that does okay. But as far as views or monetization on shorts, they're like terrible on my channel. Most of my audience is really coming for long term, long form videos.
Yeah.
But I want to continue putting shorts on there, but I'll probably just do that on my end and just cut up little clips here and there and just put it on.
One thing, may I know what is the like exact goal to earn from your channel? Like you want to earn from the AdSense or any kinds of brand collaboration? What's the main thing you have in your mind for your channel?
I don't know if I have a main goal.
Okay.
I think that really I want to multiply what I'm doing by a few times, like maybe 5 times.
Okay.
As far as how much I'm making right now. So, which I know I could do that if I had help and we could speed things up. I know I could do that.
Okay. So if you don't have like for like specific reason to work with them, so we can also target the Instagram also, because you have long form video, and we can cut down your video famous viral portion, then we can upload the Instagram, because I already suggested lots of clients and they are getting lots of like results. Okay, so whenever you are interested to work with Instagram also, your band collaboration will be increased to contact with you. Okay, because you are doing review types like work, review types product based and all, right? So at that point there are very much chances to getting the band collaboration and all. Okay, so we need to think about it whenever we are doing something, right? So we need to think about the earning portion. So that's why I'm just asking like that. So if you think really like do the most like I can do the like virality and I can get the some viral portion and all, that's the another Jordan, and that's the another matter. but also you can also work with the Instagram also, because whenever you are like growing with Instagram and all the social media page, so that would be the another like option to generate the another earning portion. And yes, of course, I'm the guy who can provide the lots of earning direction. Like what kind of direction? Let's say I have a doctor's niece's one client, and they are professionally physiotherapist. Okay, and they are from Australia, and I'm just helping them at the initial time, creating the creating the video. I mean video editing. Then I just edit the video and post it, and then I just suggest them, please repost it on the Instagram, and they are trying to Instagram like repost it, and their Instagram follower base daily basis increase and increase. Okay, then what I did, like they have lots of knowledge because they already doing the masters in the physiotherapist, right? So I'm just suggest you, so you have knowledge, so why you don't like sell this knowledge to your targeted audience, because they are waiting to know lots of uh, lots of important things from you. So that's why at that time I designed the digital product for them. Then I'm the guy who can know also performance marketing, then I run the ads for them, and they are getting like passive income. So that's the channel, and that's the portion I built for them. As yes, of course, they are really happy to work with me. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
why they are favored me always. Yeah, so that's why I'm just little bit deep digging on your like goal and all. You just want to like do the editing and get some virality and all. That is your goal, and anything else you want to build the earning portion, like earning direction. So what exactly things you have in mind? Yes, Lakshman, this is my goal. So you can also share with me. Yeah, that's why I'm just
Yeah.
asking.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah. Sounds good.
yeah,
I definitely need someone to help with certain things like that, with
yeah.
editing and guidance and stuff like that. I think that'd be
Mm.
good.
Yes, yes. So at that time, you are doing your entire tasks like editing, thumbnail designs, and posting, publishing, entire things you are doing from your side. I mean, individual person, and anything have your manager and anything else. What's the situation?
What's that?
Like you are doing entire things like editing, thumbnail designs, all that things doing by yourself,
Yeah.
and anything have like manager and all.
No, I don't have a manager.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm doing everything by myself.
Okay, okay, no problem. So yes, of course. So if we say like, uh, if all is okay, and you can also like feel the things like yes, that is the guy who can give me the results. So when you want to start, like if I say,
Um, see, I guess if if everything was
God,
perfect,
yeah,
I could start in October.
October, na? Okay, that's really great, and that is the yeah, we can also proceed. No problem. So first of all, I'm just saying you, if you want to say yes, Lakshman, I want to check your work. Okay, so I can also give you the one uh, like one work style, so that you can easy to understand my work style. What kind of work I can give you, I can provide you, so that you can like hit your goal, right? So you can also give me the one sample projects. So I mean 1 minute editing or one thing, whatever else. So I can give you the edit style, and you can also confirm me. Yes, yes, that is the things I need. Okay, then we will
Yeah.
proceed next. I think that is the most important things. If we give you the sample, and if we give you the like option to judge me and select me, right?
Mhm.
So that's the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so I think sounds good, right?
Hmm.
Okay, okay. So yes, of course. So may I know like what kind of budget you think, like if you want to uh, like produce the content like per month for, okay? So what would be the budget in your mind? Like may I know?
I don't really have a budget in mind.
Okay.
That kind of just comes. I'm just kind of wondering
Hmm.
how much everyone is charging. That way I can kind of know if I can go with them or not. I don't really have a budget in mind.
Okay, no problem. I will give you the idea right now, okay? So that you have an idea. Okay, so let's say we will agree to work with you, okay? No problem. So I will take the responsibility for the editing portion only, or anything entire management. What would be the responsibility for my side?
If I guess I need to know like what the difference in cost would be. So if we were looking for just editing,
let's take the
package.
pricing part so that you can have a decision mode. Okay, that would be the good.
Mm-hmm.